Over the years, I've posted several videos on these sunshade sails, and people have challenged me on whether or not my setup works. Last night we had 3 inches of rain, trees came down, marble-sized hail, cats and dogs living together. It was crazy. We've got a major storm going on here, and it's a hail of a storm everywhere, the size of marbles. In 5 minutes, we got tons of hail. It's crazy. So I figured I would just go around and show you the results of the storm. They're a little saggy and I could probably tighten up on the lines a little bit. But other than that, the installation, well, let's just show you and you can see for yourself. Here's the far post. Still looking good. That design's working out amazingly well. Here are the sails with a bunch of leaves on them. They were pelted, for sure. Here's the other sail. A bit saggy, but that can be tightened up. The angled pole, some people comment there's no way it could work. Well, there you go. And the far pole. Not bent, still going strong. Here's another look at the sails from this end. This is definitely the calm after the storm. Leaves are down everywhere. Lots of lightning, wind, thunder. If you like storms, it was a great one for sure. Unscripted, unplanned, a pretty wicked test of this system in year 4. So these have been around for a while and they're still looking pretty good. I might get 5, maybe 6 years out of these sails. I'm pretty pleased with the results. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home designs and outdoor designs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what wicked test you're gonna see.